Good morning, fifth grade. Today is Friday, May 15th, and I'm going to go over your agenda and give you some reminders for today. For math, as always, 25 to 30 minutes on Dreambox, making sure you're completing at least one lesson. Make sure that you're doing that. And then today's a makeup day. So if I have sent you anything back this week or last week for corrections, or if you've missed an assignment, today is the day to make some stuff up. So I'm going to give you that time to do that. Please don't waste the day. Make sure that you make that stuff up if you are missing anything. And it will tell you when you go into Seesaw what it is that you still have to do, and it should give you notifications when I send something back to you as well. Also, it's your time to make up lessons on Dreambox. So if you missed a day this week, you can go back on and do some more minutes today to help get your total for the week. ELA, it's the same, looks the same. So you're going to do your 25 to 30 minutes on Imagine Learning, making sure to complete at least one lesson each day. And then also a makeup day. So same thing goes for ELA. Anything that I have sent back to you for corrections, anything that you missed at some point, go ahead and take today to get that done. Again, don't waste the day and just think, oh, I don't have anything to do. You can always, there's always something to do. And you can even put in a little, if you have done everything and have done all your corrections, then you can go ahead and do some extra time on Imagine Learning and Dreambox to get some extra minutes in and extra credit for the week. That would be awesome. And then today is Fun Friday, so make sure you get on Seesaw and complete the Fun Friday activities. But I want you to do that after you make up any of the work that you owe, okay? That includes your Dreambox minutes and your Imagine Learning minutes. So do your makeup work, do your minutes on Dreambox and Imagine Learning, and then go to Seesaw to complete the Fun Friday activity. Use that as a reward for yourself, get all the work done you need to do, and then you can participate in the fun activity that we've got on there, okay? A couple of reminders. Again, you're going to hear it from me a lot. Make sure you're logging onto Clever. You're completing the activities and your minutes on Dreambox, Imagine Learning, and Seesaw. It is important because that's how the school and the state are looking at your attendance. They're saying you attended school if you completed those activities, and it's very, very important that you guys do those things, okay? And then one other announcement for the day. Normally we have our Zoom meetings on Fridays at 2 o'clock. But today we're going to do 1 o'clock. Mr. Mara is trying really hard to be able to show us his bees, but the weather has to be just right. So it looks that like later in the day, closer to 2 o'clock, there's going to be some rain. But hopefully, we're going to be able to take a look at the bees if we do our Zoom call at 1. The weather has to be just right. It can't be too cold. We can't have pouring rain because we don't want Mr. Mara's bees to something to happen to them because we opened up their beehive, in not the right weather. So fingers crossed. But again, that'll be at 1 o'clock today. As always, it's the same Zoom meeting ID and password, or you can click on the link if you have that. It's the same one for all of our meetings. That way I don't have to send you a new one every time. So if you already have one that I have sent you, you can go ahead and use that one, even if it says a different day on it, okay? It'll still work. Also with our Zoom meeting, I think we're gonna have some special guests, so some familiar faces from Van Dyne that wanted to say hello to you guys. So I hope that you're on there to chat with us, your teachers, and some other fun, familiar faces from Van Dyne, and hopefully we get to see the bees too. Let's see, what else? Oh, your question of the day. So today is National Pizza Party Day, and I so wish that we could all have a pizza party together. But what I want you to think about is I want you to tell me, what are your favorite toppings to have on a pizza? So do you like pepperoni, black olives, onions, green peppers? Some people do ham and pineapple. Another one that some people really love or they really don't like are anchovies. So yeah, tell me what your favorite pizza toppings are. For me, I love a good garlic pizza. So instead of the red sauce, you put like the garlic sauce on there. And then I'll take any toppings except for mushrooms and anchovies. I like all the rest of it. So yeah, that's what I like. Get on Seesaw, send me a video or record your voice. Tell me about what your favorite pizza toppings are. Okay. Other than that, I don't have anything for you guys. I know I saw a couple people out on the parade yesterday, which was so fun. If you got to be out there and see all of us, let me know if I missed you somehow. But it was a really fun time for all the teachers to get out and see the kids, and we had a really nice time. So I hope you guys got to see it too. And if you didn't, if you have Facebook, check out Van Dyne. There's a bunch of Facebook Live videos. On my Facebook page, I posted some videos too. They're not live videos because I was driving, so I couldn't do a live video while I was driving too. But check it out. And it can kind of be like you were there with us, even if you weren't. All right. I miss you all. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you at 1:00. Bye.
Mama, will you